Hi everyone, this is Brad. Today we're taking a look at ChatGPT and plugins. Maybe you've heard people talking about installing Canva as a plugin in ChatGPT, and you're kind of curious how you could add it. Well, first of all, you have to make sure you're not on 3.5, that you are on 4. Just a reminder, 4 is paid. It's roughly $20 a month. So once you do that, what you need to do is come down here, make sure to select your name, and then settings and beta. When you select settings and beta, make sure you select beta features and then toggle on plugins. Now, how do you access the plugins? So select right up in here and you can see plugins here. And you can see which ones you have installed. As of right now, none, but you can go ahead and enable some if you'd like to. And if you'd like to find a new one, and we'll talk about Canva tomorrow and what it looks like, you just need to scroll down a little bit to the plugin store, make sure to select plugin store, and then you can go ahead and search and install the plugins that you would like. So there you go. If you have any questions, please reach out. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.